footage you're about to see is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Nothing is to be taken seriously and no harm is intended. Enjoy.
Oh my gosh. Are y'all ready for this video? I'm outside the nail salon. Today we are getting claws. Yes, I know. You guys have never seen me with long nails. You guys have probably also never come with me to the nail salon because I don't technically go. But we are getting rid of these nubs and we are gonna be a bad for 24 hours. I'm really excited. I'm letting y'all pick my shape and color. So let's see what we get. I feel like I'm gonna be walking around like Peter Griffin though. Let's see what happens. How are you? Good, how are you? Everybody's staring at y'all. Most people get short nails. I think 209. It was like Good Kisser, I believe. Yeah. I'm screwed. Shit. Oh my gosh. I don't know how y'all spend 2 hours at the nail salon. I am not a bad bitch. I already know it. But my nails, they look so good. It's very dramatic, so I'm here for it. And everybody in here is looking at me like I am a ghetto hood rat. I can't even close the door. Oh my gosh, I feel like that Peter Griffin meme. Okay, I dropped my keys. Praise the Lord I can get them. Okay, so, oh no! I dropped my damn keys. How do you bad do it? Okay, if the nails get messed up, oh, they're just gonna get messed up. I asked you guys on Instagram what color I should get. Y'all picked nude, but nude was just so boring. So I said I was gonna go with the second top pick, which was hot pink. This is not the hot pink color. I don't know. When I'm out getting services, I try not to be that customer, even though like I paid so much money. Speaking of, girl, this is reason number 700 why I will not be a bad I paid $75 for this. Now, do I feel amazing? What's that video? It's like, it has been 3 long weeks since I have rejoined the bad delegation. I'm talking with my hands and I'm pointing at you in the club. That's how I feel. Like, first of all, I'm not about this life. Everybody always says like going to the nail salon isn't relaxing. And y'all, I used to go to the nail salon and get a gel manicure. That was relaxing for me because I was in and out in like 35 minutes. This took more than 2 hours. Okay, I get why this is not relaxing because this is a lot. I mean, I feel like a bad. Like, I just feel, you can't tell me anything. I was washing my hands different like this. I just felt so Peter Griffin-y. It was also rather interesting being in a nail salon and everyone is looking at my camera and I was just like, I'm a bad with my nails. The lady was like, what's your job? Like, a bad clearly. Like, you guys. Shit, I can't even scroll. Oh my gosh. I feel like Shanae. Look at how I have to, oh my gosh. How do y'all do this? And I have so much respect for women who spend hours getting their nails done and hundreds. Like, I was listening to everyone's totals. I used to go to the nail salon and spend like 35 bucks. These women were spending hundreds of dollars. I am not about that life. But I'm a bad bitch. I am just like, you can't tell me anything. Spend my life. Ooh. What would a bad eat from Chick-fil-A? Number 1. No, you know what? Let me just get a sandwich because I don't need to be trying to grab stuff. This is so hard. Oh my gosh, how do y'all turn the steering wheel? Oh my gosh, how am I gonna drive? I didn't get a confirmation this morning, so I don't know. 24 hours of Keikobeauty being a baddie. Yes, I can click clack. I'll bring it home. How do y'all do this? Oh gosh. How do y'all do this? I gotta give it up to my bad. Y'all don't get the respect you deserve. You really don't. I gotta give it up. Give it up. Give it up right now. Give it up who wear long nails and do so flawlessly. Like, y'all don't look crazy like I do, because I look a fool. But I'm having fun. Look how ridiculous I look. I'm so hungry. How do y'all do this? I mean, are they technically super long? This is super long for me. You like my nails? Do you think mommy can take care of you with these claws? What do you think of them? She didn't like them. Yeah, I thought I'd feel more like Peter Griffin. It was only really like that in the nail salon. I'm sorry, you have nubs. I don't have nubs today. Plus, you guys can watch me film my reel. I'm pretty excited, you guys. I feel like I should be in the movie Babs. After 3 long, excruciating weeks, I have rejoined the delegation in designer. So, I haven't been on my computer all day. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I can't even use my thumbprint on my MacBook and my Touch ID because my nails won't allow. This is ridiculous. Okay. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, how do y'all type? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I feel like I don't know how to type. Oh my gosh, this sound. I don't know how you guys type. How am I gonna wash dishes? How am I gonna use the bathroom? Like, what's gonna happen when I have to use the bathroom for the first time? I can't. You gonna come in here with me? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, now Chloe, how do I wipe myself? I'm scared. Wait. I should have worn a dress. Whew. Oh, shit. Back to you. Oh my goodness. So, first time using the bathrooms. First of all, my hands aren't even all the way dry because how do you grip stuff? How are y'all able to use the bathroom? And then pulling my pants up was the worst because I felt like my nails were going to come off. Okay, I'm gonna go put on a caftan. Oh my goodness. The one thing the W is good for, a stylist. Praise the Lord. Okay, it is. It's 10:41. I wanna see if I can do my skincare with my claws. Ew, I'm gonna have to get my hands dirty. Okay, not too bad. Good morning. It's like 7 o'clock. I woke up and I still have these on. Definitely was a little hard to sleep last night. It's just hard to like be normal. Let me finish getting ready for the day. And I'll see you guys in a few hours after my appointment. Oh, okay. I just left the esthetician, so I didn't take you guys in there. That'd be kind of weird. We are at Starbucks. Now, if I were a bad bitch, I mean, I'm clearly a bitch now. What does a bad bitch get from Starbucks? I think I'm gonna get an iced caramel macchiato. I feel like that is a bad bitch drink. While I was out, I figured, let me just grab some coffee. I really just can't be bothered with touching my Nespresso. But, oh, wait, I can't even steer my car or let down the window. God damn it. It's a mess. Hi, can I have a grande skinny iced caramel macchiato?
And will that be all?
Yes, that's it.
You said you want an ice?
Yes, please.
Okay, so your total is $5.66. I'll see you soon.
Thank you. And this mask from Humankind is my favorite. I think it's really helped my acne not worsen because this is like a foam mask. And I do have an affiliate code, so I'll leave it on the screen. But yeah, I'm excited for Starbucks. Y'all should see me trying to steer. It's a struggle. It's literally the struggle.
You had a grande ice caramel macchiato?
Yes.
I just had to scan you out at the front register.
Okay. It's COVID times. Don't touch my phone.
Here you go. Your drink's
Thank
coming
you.
right up.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Can I have a straw, please?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You as well. Okay. Uh-oh. How did I roll up my window? Okay, here we go. Ooh. Yeah. Wake me up. Well, bad get Starbucks. Check. It's breakfast time for Chloe. It's just a little more difficult. Now, how do y'all do this? Goodness. It's like doing everything with nails takes like 25% more time. And who has all this time to spend every day? I don't know how y'all do it. Okay. Sit. No, you're fine. No, sit. Up here. Nah, no. Okay. Okay. Bad. Taking care of her child. Check. Beauties. We have so much to discuss. I've made it through 24 whole excruciating hours with my lovely claws, and I have to say they are quite fabulous. I've just been grabbing any and everything over the past 24 hours. I've been scrolling my phone like that, all the clickety clack, period. But I have to be honest, these are not for me. I have so many thoughts, but one moment. Whew. I'm back. You guys, oh my goodness. The past 24 hours have been literal hell. I just couldn't do it. Like, not being able to type, which meant that I couldn't work, not being able to effectively wash dishes, care for myself, care for my dog, my family. That was insane. So, you know, I started off on this journey just excited to be a bad for 24 hours. But what I realized is you all don't get the appreciation that you deserve. It is way harder than it looks to function through life with claws. I am not a baddie. I cannot do it. Well, I'm not that type of baddie. All in all, you're your own baddie no matter what. If you have claws, if you have nubs, just do you, rock what makes you feel most comfortable and confident, and have fun. That was the lesson for today. I couldn't live with them. I am back to my short nubs. I ended up cutting my acrylics all the way down, and then I just did my favorite pink polish on top. I couldn't do it, but this was fun. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely want to do more 24-hour challenges like this because let's face it, it was super fun, and I'm sure it was wildly entertaining seeing me walk around like this and try to move through life with claws. I'm not a baddie. Be your own version of a baddie. Do you, get your claws, rock your nubs, just enjoy yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye, guys.